Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We got our one over there that's warm that we cut with. So this is a cold start. How many times you run this one, Special K?
I only started. I never had cut any wood with it.
You've never cut wood with it? Well, then don't go too aggressive on it. Don't just, I always try to break them in a little bit. They last longer, it seems
I just
like.
started it and made sure,
But it's dust. Oh, it's dusty from your construction.
That one's full.
Yeah. That oil's full.
Yeah.
So we're going to basically be doing a cold start on my pro grade 660s that nobody in the chainsaw cult believes me on, or nobody wants to believe me on. Pro grade to me means you could use it to make money cutting freaking wood for years, and it doesn't just die on you. It still runs, but you're going to have to do maintenance like anything. So otherwise, the big names wouldn't even have parts that they sell. I'm ready if you're ready.
Let's see if I can start this thing.
Yep. It didn't fire yet, so keep it down and choke. It did. There you go. Now pop it one up. Now it'll fire on the first or second. Or third or fourth. There it is. Now, one thing I never, ever, ever do is take my chainsaws and start them fresh like that and run them hard like that. But I think as I was cringing while that was happening, as I was totally cringing while that was happening, I remembered I did run a couple tanks of these. So I felt a big relief when I realized that. Right?
25 to 1.
25 to 1 right now, huh? Breaking them in, 25 to 1. Yeah, some people don't subscribe to that theory.
They shouldn't do it then.
Yeah, they shouldn't do it then. They should do what's best for them, right?
Exactly.
Everybody's got free will in this world. Isn't that the beauty of it?
It is actually beautiful.
Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Take care.
Right on.